Are you having a hard time finding the home you want on the market right now? Well, it might take a while because there are 5 million more buyers than available homes in the US right now. Have you considered building a home? We'll hear from the Koenig team at Cornerstone Home Lending, and I'm excited to help you with the decision of should we build or should we buy? When you build, you get exactly what you want in your price range. You get to decide everything like the paint color, flooring, tile, lighting. Because it's new, you won't have to worry about all the repairs, replacements, or renovations anytime soon. Plus, you'll also be able to make the home as smart and energy efficient as you want. Sounds pretty great, right? Because you're building the home from the ground up, it can take longer to move in. On average, it can take about 7 months to build a home from start to finish. You might run into unexpected delays and price increases throughout the process. For instance, in 2020, lumber prices skyrocketed because of the pandemic. While you don't have to negotiate with the seller, you will need to be able to communicate a lot with the builder. So if you don't have time for daily and constant communication, it might be better to wait until life slows down a bit. Consider the pros and cons. Each family's wants and needs are different. So if you'd like to learn more about building or want to see your options, let's chat. I also partner with some of the best builders in Oklahoma, and I would love to connect you with them. Comment below or shoot me a message, and we can talk about your goals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.